everyone! In this video, I will be going over the support resources that you have access to inside of your CRM account. The first resource is the live AI chat support. So if we go into the link here, it will redirect us to the Loan Officer AI CRM support agent. So this is a ChatGPT that is trained for the CRM, and you can ask CRM questions. So let's ask a question. How do I import contact database into CRM? And here's the answer that ChatGPT has provided. So this is a fantastic resource, and I highly recommend utilizing this. Our next support resource is Live Zoom Support. So if we click on this link here, it will redirect us to the Loan Officer AI CRM Zoom Support registration page. So you can go ahead and fill in your information and click register. If we are within Zoom support hours, you'll be able to register and join. Zoom support is available Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. Eastern. Our third support resource is the CRM Learning Guide. So let's click this link and we are redirected into our learning guide. So if we click on the Loan Officer AI CRM Learning Guide here, we have access to a series of videos that go over processes inside of the CRM. Feel free to reach out to the team at support@connectionincorporated.com. However, feel free to use your support resources available inside of the CRM, and the team is happy to help.